to this channel. In today's video, we shall be seeing how we can make or rather we'll have breakfast ideas for your potatoes. You don't have to take your boring potatoes or your flies as usual. So we'll be spicing this up. So today we shall be making the potato with bacon. On our first step, so I'll be pre-boiling my potatoes so that we can it becomes easy to bake them. Remember, when you're pre-boiling your potatoes, if you want to add some spice or rather some ingredients, it's good to also include. You can use something like turmeric if you want to add some color, or any other spice that you would wish to use. So for some, for instance, would require to use the black pepper. Go all in with your all ingredient as you would wish. So I'll be using my Himalayan salt. So you can add your salt as. For me, I don't measure until my ancestors say no. And also I'll be using some garlic. Remember, for these ingredients you can also if you prefer to use the fresh ingredients, the better. But for me, in this cooking video, I'll be using the supermarket one. So you set your potatoes to pre-boil, and then as we prepare the other ingredients. Here is my bacon. So I have patted this dry, and the next step will be wrapping our bacon on our potatoes, and then we bake. And now our potatoes are ready. So what we are going to do is drain the water and run some cold water to stop the cooking process, and now move to the wrapping and baking. And there goes your potatoes with bacon. Remember, you can spice this as you want, as you wish, and also you can have this for breakfast. You can also have this as a snack or as a starter when you're hosting. So I hope you try this recipe and let me know how it goes. Also, if you have additions to the recipe, let me know. Comment below. Let me have a like and let's progress. Bye.